notice a lot of these fields are kind of highlighted gray. The drawing number, notice it's already got the drawing name in there. There's no title description, there's no drawn by or anything like that. These items are being pulled from the drawing fields. Where do you get those? If you go to the application button, so come down to drawing utilities, go to drawing properties. In the drawing properties, these are the fields that you can use. You can populate these pieces of metadata really and pull that into your drawing. So title, subject, author, I'm just going to put my initials in here. Comments, we're going to call it the setup drawing. Statistics or custom, you can pull any of that information into your drawing as a field, and you can add your own. That's what these custom ones are. Various materials, alternate materials, you can add whatever you want to add. When I say okay and I type regen, notice the drawn populates and the title populates.